Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. If this is your first time, you're very welcome. I hope you subscribe and join the family, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today's video is going to be on this absolutely gorgeous, chic, easy to install unit from Myfirstwigs. I haven't worked in Myfirstwigs in a while, but I absolutely love their wigs. I love the lace, I love everything about it. I think it's very beginner friendly and it's just a very effortless look, if that makes sense. I do love a good blunt bob situation, and summer's around the corner, so this unit would definitely be perfect for summer. I love the highlights, I love the fact that it's totally glueless as well, and guys, this unit isn't going anywhere. It's pretty snug on my head, so that's always a plus. I'll have all the information about this unit in the description box, and in the video I'll also show you guys the construction and the specs and all of that. But overall, I have zero complaints about this unit. It's an easy 100 out of 10 for me because she is super duper easy to install. If you're looking for an easy throw on and go wig, you don't want to stress, it's perfect for work, it's perfect for a night out, it's perfect for a date, it's perfect for errands, it's literally perfect for everything. Okay, I highly recommend this unit. Okay, so without further ado, let's head straight into today's video.
Hey love, so as I mentioned, this unit is from Myfirstwig, and the box comes with an elastic band to lay your edges, which you honestly don't need because this unit is totally glueless. And then this is the unit. It's a highlight brown short bob wig. The lace is HD. It's a 5x5 closure wig that comes with the lace already pre-cut and pre-bleached. However, you can purchase this unit as a 13x6 lace frontal if that's what you want. Now it also comes with a drawstring. This is what's going to help make sure the wig is super secure. If you don't want this drawstring attachment, you can select the option on the website not to have it. It's in a Yaki straight texture, which I absolutely love. I think the crinkles just makes it look so natural, but again, if that's not your style, you can choose a silky straight texture on the website. Now this unit is in 10 inches, but the longest length is 12 inches, so it's supposed to be a bob. Honestly, I think 10 inches is such a cute length, especially for the summertime. I did go with the average cap size, which is 21.5 to 22.5, but I believe you can definitely customize it if you do have a smaller head or a bigger head, whatever works for you. This unit is of course 100% human hair, and the density is 150. As I mentioned, the lace is HD invisible, so it's going to be melted into your skin. It comes pre-everything, so pre-plucked hairline, pre-bleached knots. You don't need any glue or any hairsprays. It is literally throw on and go. And sometimes with glueless units, they're not as snug as you would like them, or they're just too snug that it gives you a headache. With this unit, it's the perfect level of tightness on your head, if that makes sense. So here I'm just basically styling it with my flyaway tamer. Nothing too serious, just pushing the hair back just so you can see this absolutely gorgeous hairline. Guys, the hairline was so lovely. Like, it literally melted into my skin. I don't know how they bleached it, but they definitely did a great job with bleaching this unit. All I had to do was go in with my hot comb, and then I eventually straightened this unit afterwards. The unit took to heat really well. I didn't have to go in multiple passes for it to be straight because it is a Yaki straight texture. So, you know, I wasn't really trying to get it bone straight. I just wanted to take out the crinkles from being in the box. I love a Yaki straight texture because I personally feel like it has more volume and it just looks so natural. And the highlights as well, I love the highlights. They're not too much, they're not too loud. At the same time, they're very obvious, and I just think it's like a perfect brown for a black girl this summer. So if you're looking for your next summer wig, then I highly recommend you check out this unit from Myfirstwigs. I'll have all the information linked in the description box. I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of this video, and we will talk later. God bless. Bye guys.